All right, let's talk about a super important Databricks concept you've got to know.
So you're creating a new table in Spark SQL. Right off the bat, you've got a big choice to make.
Is it going to be a managed table or an external one? Let's check out the first path.
A managed table, which some people call an internal table, is completely controlled by Databricks.
This means the actual data files, they live right inside a default Databricks-managed directory.
Okay, but here's the interesting part. What happens when you drop a managed table?
Well, both the metadata and the data files are totally permanently deleted. Poof, gone.
Now let's switch gears and look at the other option, the external table.
With an external table, Databricks is only in charge of the metadata. The data itself, that's somewhere else.
Your data files just chilled in their own external spot, like S3 or Azure Data Lake.
So you can probably guess what's coming. What if you drop this table?
Only the metadata gets removed. Your actual data files, they stay completely untouched and safe.
And that is the critical difference, right? It all comes down to the drop command.
This little table breaks it down perfectly. You can really see the key differences at a glance.
Okay, so that brings us back to the big question. Which one should you choose?
Go with a managed table if Databricks is going to own the whole data lifecycle. Simple as that.
But you'll want an external table if you are sharing data or if that raw data has to be preserved.
When you get right down to it, the choice is all about who owns the data. So now you know the deal. Your data's lifecycle is in your hands. Which path will you choose?